Hello everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I want to show you how you can easily change your profile photo on SoundCloud. So first, click on the library. Now click on your profile picture. And here, click this little pen icon. Now, click on your profile picture that you have right now. You can take a photo. You can choose it from library or simply delete your profile picture. I'm gonna go with the library, and here you can choose, let's say, this one. And if we want it like that, simply click the check mark right here and click save. As you can see, it changed. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.